In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your IKEA account with ease and confidence. Whether you're here to check out some new furniture or simply update some personal details, logging in is the first step to accessing your IKEA world. So let's dive right in and get you settled into your account. To start, you'll need to open up your web browser of choice. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the process is the same. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the IKEA login page. You can do this by typing the following URL into the address bar, ikea.com, and profile login. Press enter and the page should load right up. Here, you'll see the familiar IKEA logo at the top, welcoming you to their online platform. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll see two input fields in the center of your screen. First, you will need to type in your email address. This is the email you used when you created your IKEA account. If you happen to be using a shared or public computer, make sure to double check and ensure the email entered is yours to keep your account secure. After entering your email, direct your attention to the next field labeled Password. Click into this field to type your password. Take care to ensure that you're entering your password correctly, as these fields are case sensitive. If you happen to have forgotten your password, IKEA offers an option right there to help you recover it through email. So, no worries if it slips your mind. Help is just a click away. Once you have filled in both your email and password, it's time for the final step. Clicking that login button. You'll find it just below the password field. Clicking this button will send your information to the IKEA servers. If everything entered is correct, you'll be welcomed back into your account in no time. And there you have it. You're logged into your IKEA account. From here, you can browse products, check your purchase history, update personal information, or explore the many features IKEA offers to its customers. Logging into an online account might seem like a basic task, but doing it quickly and correctly every time can save you tons of time and helps keep your account secure. If you experience any trouble logging in or need further assistance, IKEA provides support options on the login page for additional help. That concludes our guide today. Don't forget to stay tuned for more useful tutorials to help make your online experiences as smooth and hassle-free as possible.